Hi, in this video I start with the use of a TXT controller, TXT discovery controller by fischertechnik, and after receiving it I had to update the firmware, upgrade the firmware actually, by connecting it to the RoboPro program, connecting it with a USB interface or wire, and then it's automatically checked for firmware version and if necessary upgraded, and that happened. So the next step is, since I want to program it using Python and not RoboPro, I have to connect to it using Wi-Fi, which is indicated by this symbol, so the Wi-Fi is active. The controller being its own Wi-Fi server means that I have to connect with a computer to this controller. And there is a problem, because with my other laptops, I cannot succeed in connecting to the controller. They all can detect it, but they don't connect. So I wondered if I could connect using my tablet, my Android tablet, and to my surprise that did work. So I'm putting this aside for a moment, take my Android, connect, and here you see SSH command RoboPro, add, and then the IP address I should contact, and I say OK, go for it. And then annoying thing, it turns the screen. It asks for a password, which is quite standard and can't be changed. And what happens is right here that you can actually see that I'm in it, which means that with this tablet I can connect to the interface, to the controller, which I can't manage with the laptops. This is quite a nuisance. So right now I can type exit, and that's it. Close session. So the question is, why can't I connect through the laptops? However, to get this FT RoboPi library on the controller, I can use my tablet by downloading the library on there and then trying to SCP. I can try once more. And considering everything here, it won't work. So that is for the current situation, and I will try to get the FT RoboPi via the tablet. Wondering how that will work out. So to show that the connection with my tablet actually works, I select TXT Camdroid, because I have the USB camera connected to my new TXT controller. I select start. There's a failure somehow. I want to connect to the TXT. Yes, done. Once again, start. And here you can see, let's keep it in good level. So this shows that the connection to the controller is more than fine, and then I will try to connect using SSH. So I stop using this app, back to SSH, secure shell. And I wonder if you can see this, but I have here a perfect connection. It's Linux, so I can just do anything I like. The only problem is that unlike a normal laptop, I cannot open two SSH sessions at one time, so I have to edit, quit, test, etc. on here. But anyway, this works, and this opens possibilities, but I have to find out why my laptops don't connect. So far so good for this part. I have Python working on here, and now I can think of constructing a robot. So let's try to do that. As a start of the frame for the new robot, I build this with the two pulse motors, and somehow on this I will put the controller, be it on here or somewhere here. I have to decide yet, but that is the plan. And different than the walking robot, I will most likely not use chains. So I added a normal gear, and most likely here legs will be a leg will be attached. How, I don't know yet, I have to see. So as you can see, it is much debate how it's going to be and how it will evolve. It's experimenting, and I could design it, but I like this better. So whatever will be, it's the start of a new robot, and we'll see how long it will take to get it walking or running, but most likely walking. So for now, thank you for watching, and to be continued.